Alright, so we're off to the Barrio Fiesta, Motherwell. This is Strathclyde Country Park. Okay, so we reached the entrance right here.
Pinoy cravings.
We also have kusina for our kakanin and ice cream.
Yes.
Toto'y bilisan mo ang takbo. Naga ng mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo. Toto'y tumalun ka, tumapa kung kailangan.
Which one? What video I go to? Huh?
Ng mga bala.
Go, go, go.
Hindi kulad dilaw, tunay na magkalaban.
Noodles for street food and
Bali tatlong bakit.
never know.
Yes, I think ready na yata ang ating performers.
I think we are indeed, Kuya. So, naku, pag ilang introduce ko na to sa inyo, ha? Pag hindi ito perfect, ha? Okay.
Finally, let's welcome the Cordillera Group.
Let's give it up for them! Woo! And I think ready na siya. Kuya, who's our next performer?
Let's welcome on stage, Mati.
Good afternoon, mga kapamilya!
Ay, ang hina. Kamusta po kayo lahat? Are we having fun? Alright, that's what we like to hear. Alright, this song I'm going to perform for you guys, it's one of my favorites from one of my personal idols, Regine! Woo! This is called On the Wings of Love, so sana gusto mo.
Just visit our booth and also free trip to the Philippines. It's all about Bisita Be My Guest. We deputize all our overseas Filipinos to be our tourism ambassadors. Your main role is only to invite your Scottish, British friends to visit the Philippines, register online, and you can win all these exciting prizes.
Why then they don't have no only
Please continue to support tourism. Every visitor you send to our country contributes to our Sama-sama tayo tulong-tulong.
Dracula.
The queue is too long. No chance. What? Three? Happy.
We're outside that.
Okay, it's the shop, eh? We're outsiders. Yeah, let's go.
Did you know that we're outside of the shop?
Yeah, it's cool.
I do.
Come with us.
Okay, go quick. Windy as well, Shakina. Papa. Windy.
Here, stick in the basket. Cool, ta. No mogu mogu.
Mogu, mogu. Mama, mogu. I don't like that one. You like that? That's the
Rotox.
coming Filipino. Like, Mama, there's a big coconut one to the back over there. That's not the. I want one. Is this mogu mogu?
No.
Oo nga, mogu mogu.
Where you going with that one?
Why?
No, no, no.
I know. So, nag-get me nga ito calamansi juice dear. Kumunta
Okay.
na sila.
Okay, let's give a round of applause to Cha, Rosario, and David,
Hey,
please.
Okay na po ba ng ating instrument, ate? Okay.
Sound check.
Ipalit daw muna natin. But ate, saan po ba tayo galing? Where are we from? Or dito sa Scotland, ha?
Ngayon po nakatira ako sa Isle of Bute, pero dati po nakatira ako sa Shetland Island.
Shetland Island.
Huy, ang layo!
Wow.
Kahit Isle of Bute. May mga taga Isle of Bute. Is there anybody else from Isle of Bute? Woo!
Wow, wow.
Brian, laugh kasi maiiyak tayo sa tawa.
Kung ready na kayong tumawa, ready na rin silang magpatawa. So are you ready to laugh? At ready na rin silang magpatawa.
Sino po excited?
Gusto niyo ba silang makilala?
Yes!
So despite their busy schedules and projects, galing silang Pilipinas, andito po sila para pasayahin tayo, patawanin tayo, and for us to enjoy their performance.
Yes! If you are ready, I think they are ready! Ay, ang ganda!
Grabe! Hindi lang talented, may beauty pa pala!
Ay, ang ganda at sexy! Hello, Pipita! Welcome!
Welcome to Mario Fiesta 2024!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong
Ay,
lahat.
grabe! Nabudol tayo rin, nabudol!
Pwede po ba bakaling ng balakbakan mga samang iyawan? Yes, balakbakan naman po natin yung mga napaka-energetic nating mga host. Talaga ng mga nilaklak nila yung energy drink today. Grabing energy kanina hanggang kanina pa, no? Ako nilalamig na po ako. Ganito po, magpapakilala po ako ulit. Pagkatapos mo, kailangan mo palakpakan at hiyawan, ha? Ang hindi mo papalakpak at hihiyaw, isinusumpa ko po. Magkakaroon ng anak na 10 bakla, sunod-sunod hanggang 10th generation. Taas mo ang dalawang kamay! Taas ang dalawang kamay! Palakpak at hiyawan! Okay, pag-ihaw na po ako ulit. Tapos DJ Play siya ako.
I-welcome daw na... Ay, nakuha niyo yung sumpa niya? Naka-take notes kayo? Kaya dapat talagang masigabog, napakaingay at napakalala na welcome! Eto na, si Pipita!
Thank you! Hey, DJ, come on! Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands in the air! Happy Mario Fiesta! Let's go, come on! Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Ngunit na nandito ka sa tabi ko. Ingiliw, di pa din ako makapaniwala na ang dati kong pangarap katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, everybody! Ako'y liligaya, ako'y isisigaw, okay? Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo magmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, magmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat, para sa'yo magmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko lahat para lang sa iyong sinta. Basta't nandito ka, everybody! Put your hands in the air! Minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo. Narinig lang boses mo. Masaya at kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin. Sa ikaw ang aking kapiling. Lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon. At basta't nandito ka, everybody! kita. Dito ka, let's go! Yes.
Bago tayo mag-start, kailangan i-arrange yung
Ito po, gina pa naman yan.
Ang tsura mo para kayong mga action star.
Totoo. Yung
Three, four unicorns. Two scoop.
Only one scoop for her.
Yeah, okay.
Others can have
The man himself, the legend.
Ay, sasagot ang bakit mas malakas. Snatcher ka ba? Kasi,
Look at millions.
I'm one of the famous sexy actors in the Philippines. Yes, and these Filipinos are my fans. Hello! Yan, ganun, kunwari. If you know the application Viva Max, I've got plenty of movies there. No, anyways, I'm just kidding. I'm half white, I'm half British, half Filipina. My dad's British. His name is Harry, and his surname is Puta. Harry Puta. So they got married, my mom and my dad. So my mom is a puta as well. So they called me anak ng puta. Tarot lang. Ang daming magaganda magpalakpakan naman! Lovely ladies! How about the handsome guys here in Glasgow? Konti na lang, bakla na yung iba. Magpalakpakan yung mga kasama ko sa pananampalataya! Saan yung mga bakla? Pinapatay niyo ba dito? Parang hindi ko nakikita. Mga tomboy! Pagdating ng panahon, tayo-tayo din. And I can see dito sa Glasgow, dito mo matatagpuan ng mga gwapong Pinoy at gwapong puti, no? Lots of handsome guys here. I love it. Let me see. Let me see. Hi, baby. You, hi. Can you please come over? Go to mommy. It's time for your breastfeeding. Which do you prefer? The left, the right, or the lower one? Come here, come here. Don't be shy. What's your name?
David?
Dave. Oh my God, I love your name. That's my favorite name of all time. David. David, how old are you?
Just turned 20.
Just turned 20. Okay, hindi na ako makukulong. David, what do you do?
I study
You study what?
business. Business?
Business. So, do you have a girlfriend?
Not at all.
That's great. You know, girls, yung mga bata, sabihin nyo naman, no? Kids, we have a playground in the kitchen. Play the gasol. So you don't have a girlfriend. Why? You're good looking. You're studying. Why?
Too busy.
Too busy. Okay. So, but you're a straight guy.
Yes.
Can you shout it? I'm a straight guy.
I'm a straight guy.
More. I'm a straight guy.
I'm a straight guy.
Yes. I tell that to myself before. Look at me now. I'm a girl. Okay, so are you ready? Happy Father's Day! Alam, dito barangay captain.
Aziz, 26.
Baka mukhang artista.
Kahit sino na lang.
Para ka sa buhay mo. Okay, pick up line.
Philippines ka ba?
Philippines pa ako?
Kasi masaya ako pag kasama ka.
Ay! Dito ka, baby. Pader ka ba? Hindi kita kayang banggain kasi mahal kita. Ay! Pader ka ba? Maihi, kuya.
Just lang.
Alam mo si kuya, pag may baril yan, ako, kung patay ka na.
Eh, di patay kung patay.
Number 4! Okay. Kaya tubig.
Nagkakuha lang ako tubig, nauuhaw ako.
Naka, bakit may ginagawa yung mga sex
Ikaw,
bomber?
pala dyan, nauuhaw ako. Wait lang.
Okay. Introduce yourself.
My name's John.
Okay, you're lookalike artist.
Whatever you want.
Bea Alonso. No, who do you think? Okay. Do you have a pickup line?
Did you drop that?
Ano daw?
You drop that. Shabang should be.
Ano daw?
Ewan ko dito.
Pick up line. Clear, clear, clear.
Make it speak it gently.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I think you dropped that.
Drop that? Why?
It's your panties.
My panties! Do you wanna see my panties?
Okay. Englishin mo na, transfer.
You got a scenario. She's your real girlfriend and your mistress. They're sisters, and she will find out that you're cheating on her.
So then, fight. Okay?
And after this, I'm gonna give it to you. Okay? Just do what we said. Okay? Okay.
Bobo ka sa English, no? Do what we said. Okay,
we said.
eto na. Okay, ba kayo po mag-a-action na. Alam mo na, Be, ha? Labing-labing kami. Darating ka, awayin mo ko kasi nga mistress ako, okay? Inihahandog ng Glasgow, Scotland Film ang isang teleseryeng punong-puno ng pagmamahal at pag-asa. Sa pinamagatang, habulin mo ko, babaeng lumpong. Lights, camera. Ang hina. Lights, camera.
Ang galing ng DJ natin.
Oo, yung pala sa DJ, alerto siya.
Hindi mo na sinasabihan.
Okay, pero muna na microphone, Be. Mamaya ka na. Okay, lights, camera. Ay, dapat pala, number 2 siya. Number 2 kapalit kasi ulo Tagalog, English muna dapat eh. Mauna yung Tagalog. Okay, go. Mahirapan ako mag-English.
O, sige.
Ready ka na, babe?
Lights, camera! Roberto, ang laki-laki ng dibdib mo ngayon.
Ngayon mo lang napansin, gabi-gabi ka na.
Alam mo, lagi na lang ako tinatanong ni Mami kung kailan daw tayong kakasal. Tsaka alam mo ba, lagi kitang ikinukwento sa daddy. Gustong-gusto ka ng itay. Crush ka niya.
Pwede naman, pero palihim muna.
Uy, alam mo ba, 6 years na tayo, pero wala namang, ano bang plano mo sa akin? I love you, baby. Sana.
Mahal ko rin kita, pero hindi pa kita kaya i-show sa magulang ko.
Pati mo kaya ipakilala sa magulang mo. Ano ba palagay mo sa akin, mangkukulang? Pero mahal na mahal kita, I miss you. Alam mo ba, baby, meron akong sorpresa sa'yo. Acne yung kamay mo. Buntis ako, baby. Ito yung ulo ng mga tao. Kambal yung anak mo. I love you so much, baby.
I love you too, babe.
Ay, kakainis ka na ulit. Baby. Baby, mahal na mahal kita, ha? Ang ganda-ganda ng pano mo, ha? Tsaka original to, no? Ang ganda kasi ng tela, oh.
Mare, alam mo ba, yung kapatid mo, nakita ko, nilalandi yung jowa mo, matagal na yata yung niloloko ikaw, tsaka butis yata yung kapatid mo kasi lumalaki yung ulo, tsaka yung tiyan.
Ano yung ulo, ga?
Oo, andyan sila, andyan sa bahay ng boyfriend mo, sugurin mo, sugurin mo! Kumatok ka muna, tanga!
Kato ka muna, bobo.
Anong to, wala silang pintuan, Mare?
Kakato ka muna, pintuan kami, taka-taka ka.
Oh, Mare, ayan, katukin mo, Mare, katukin mo, tok, tok, tok!
Huwag naman sa ulo. Ano to, doorknob? Doon ka muna kumatok ka ganun, no? Ganon.
Ganon, ganon.
Lights, camera!
Okay.
Ay, wait lang baby, may kumakatok. Kache-check ko lang muna, ha? May kasamang bata yun. May props siya. Bigla siya nagkaroon ng props. Okay, action. Ha? Rosenda? Ate? Sino to?
Yan, ganyan.
Ate mo nga ako, di ba sino to? Magkapatid ka tayo dito.
Magkapatid kayo.
Ulit, kapatid mo, kilala mo ko. Bakit ito? Sampalin ko mukha mo. Lights, camera!
Ayan, kumatok ka.
Ay, wait lang baby, may kumakatok. Huwag ka lang pumasok agad. Hold space. Ulit, lights, camera! Baby, love is... Ay, wait lang baby, may kumakatok.
Bakery.
Nakatira tayo sa hardware.
Chinese kasi kayo.
Ay, ate! Ate. Kuya!
Nagpadede lang siya, kuya yan.
Ate! Anong ginagawa mo doon? Nabisita ka yata. Mukhang may kailangan ka ba? Saan yung jowa ko? Jowa? Jowa mo? Oo. Hindi ko maintindihan ang sinasabi mo, ate. Alam ko, may relasyon kayo. Ha? Tingnan mo. Roberto, naguguluhan ako.
Oo! Makakaagaw yung kapatid mo.
Wala namang hawak agad. Ha? Wala hawak ka pa ako eh. Diyan ka lang muna dito. Diyan lang, okay. Dahil sabi, action! Naguguluhan ako. Ano bang sinasabi mo?
Blacking.
Wala ka sa blacking.
Ayan, ah.
Ano ba to, Roberto? Bigyan mo ng mic, Bebita. Ano ba to, Roberto? Naguguluhan ako. Ano bang sinasabi niya?
Wala akong alam dyan.
Ha? Ano ba sinasabi mo? Nagugulo ka sa amin dalawa. Nagmamahalan kami ni Roberto. 6 years na kami dalawa. Ilalaban mo ba? Ilaban mo siya. Action! Hindi. Sa akin. Roberto, I gave you everything.
Mahirap sitwasyon ko. Kailangan kong tulong.
Tama na! Niloloko niyo ba akong dalawa?
Opo, may relasyon kaming tatlo.
So, ending ako yung ano. Ako yung parang wala. Ako, kailangan pa natin ng ano, mas strong pa na acting, ha?
Oo,
doon ka muna.
thank you.
Thank you. Okay ka
Next,
na.
ay, ito si Madam. Magaling daw to. Halika dito. Ito si Madam.
Ayan si Madam.
Ayan, nakita mo naman yung pearl, oh.
Oh, di ba?
Parang namamlaan siya ng ano. Nakatulong.
Hi, babies.
Okay, bye. I'm sorry? Just your name is Roberto and I am Pacundo. No, I'm Rosario. Okay.
Lights, camera!
Baby, it's been a long time. I think we're so good now. I think we need to get married.
I'm sorry, but I have someone else in my life. You just came at a point in time where I thought we weren't loving, but I have other commitments, and I think we should split.
But come again. Repeat yourself.
I think
Stop. You will not say that you have a real wife. You love me also because I'm the mistress. You will not reveal.
Hirap pag-English.
Okay, you have a wife but you will not tell me because you love me also, ha? Okay, lights, camera. Baby, are we going to get married soon?
probably soon, maybe. Yeah.
Baby, I love you so much. My life will stop if you stop me. I love you till death do us part, baby.
I love you also.
So you kiss me, baby. So I will become a princess again. I was cursed. Baby, I love your eyes, your nose, your lips. I love you. Baby, can you hug me? Hug me also. No, it's middle. I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
Hey girl, your sister and your boyfriend is cheating on you.
What?
Yes, you're such a stupid girl. You don't know.
The nerve of that palaka-looking sister!
Wow, kung makapala ka, sampalin ko mukha mo.
Yes, she's a fucking cunt.
Huwag mo sabihin na ka, Maria Clara ka, baka baskusin kita dyan.
Where are they?
There.
Diba there's a door?
You knock.
Oh, okay, I knock on the door.
Baby, someone is knocking on the door. I'll just check it.
Are you ready?
Ate,
English.
sister. English na pala, Tagalog kanina. Sister, how do you brush your teeth? Sister.
Don't you sister me.
Oh my God, what are you talking about, sister?
You?
Yes, her.
You?
No, we're best friends. We're best friends.
You?
Yes.
And you?
Your
And you?
Your boyfriend. What?
What are you?
People! Behind your man, you stupid! What?
My friend just told me that you're in a relationship?
Oh my God, you're believing your best friend? Hey, he's just making some story. And don't believe her because if not, something...
I'm telling the truth, look at her. She's pregnant with your boyfriend. Look at her tummy.
No, I'm not pregnant, I'm just full.
Sister!
What?
Brush your teeth!
Don't offend me with your wordings, ha? And never ever... Ano ba yung guluhin?
Ruben.
Don't ruin our relationship. Me and Roberto is together for like 6 years and we're getting married soon.
I thought his name is Rolando.
Our nickname.
Why would you choose Palaka looking over me?
You speak also.
I can't choose between you.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, he can choose your both palaka.
We were together first. We were together for a moment, but I was with her.
I'm sorry, come again?
I choose her, not you.
Oh! Oh! No! You cannot do this to me! I gave you everything! I made you a very rich guy! Okay? I gave you!
Continue with.
I gave you a house and land, I gave you car, I gave you business and now you're dumping me, you stupid monkey!
I gave you your hair! Give it back to me!
Okay, thank you so much!
She's my richest.
I'm sorry?
She's my richest.
Riches and bitches! Okay, next. Next. At syempre, kung may Tagalog, may English, ito naman, Chinese. Oh, sisters. Check ko lang kung meron na dito, ha? Dito ba picture ko yan, ha? Chinese to. Next camera! Picture, ha? Ipon sa mga. Sana kami mag-enjoy din. Gusto ko lang malaman yung lahat na mararamot kayo. Lalo na kayo sa harapan, Enchos. Sana mo nga yung ay, hi! Ang gagwapo ng mga batang to, kaso mukhang may bracelet ako dito, magkadikit pag ginawa ko. Hello sa inyo, ha? Okay. Tapos pa-enhance na lang ng mic, kuya. Play! Para po sa inyo mga kababayan, mag-ingat kayo palagi, enjoy life, ha? Malakas na lang, kuya, para marinig. Okay. Pangarap kong makita ka naglalaro sa buwan. Inalay mo nawala ang music ko. Ano nangyari? O sige, ulitin natin ulitin. O sige, ulitin lang, walang problema. Diyos ko, pag ganun talaga pag live show. Sige. Marami pa kami show sa UK. Ikutin namin ang UK. Dami namin. Salamat sa mga nag-share ng blessing nga, mabuhay kayo. Isasama namin kayo sa prayer request namin bukas.
Yes, maraming salamat po everyone. Ako, pupunta kami sa inyo para makapag-picture taking tayo kasi marami pa pong magaganap dito sa stage. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Peter Curtis.
At ako po si Henry, nakita-kita tayo ulit someday soon. Salamat sa inyo po sa bumubuo ng Barrio Fiesta ng Scotland dito sa Glasgow. Maraming salamat sa pag-imbita sa amin. Sana po napasaya namin kayo.
Yes, at dahil dyan, magpicture na tayo dahil may gagawin pa sila.
Saan tayo mga picture?
Muna tayo dyan.
Okay.
Once again, hoy, bigyan naman natin ng masiglamang palakpakan! Pipina! Thank you so much! Okay! Okay! Maraming salamat! I'm sure napasaya tayo. And again, we really want this event to be annual from here on now. So, yeah, so marami tayong ini-expect and it's so great to have a crowd as energetic and as fun as this one para talaga maganahan lahat ng ating mga sponsors at ng ating mga bisita na balik-balikan tayo here in Scotland.
Officially, we have 5,000 in numbers. Wow!
Oh, is it, Kuya?
I know.
Ha? Totoo? Hindi
Nasaan
pa,
na
hindi
ba?
wala pang official tally.
Wala pang tali. Ito pa
Wala
si
pa
Madam.
tayong official tally, but 2,000.
2,000
Wow.
estimated.
We have an estimate of 2,000 people. So,
Wow.
amazing! Bihirang
Amazing.
bihira. Yes. These events, Kuya, na magsalo-salo, na magkakasama tayong lahat is very, very, talaga, rare. Kaya we are so grateful for all the people who work really hard to get this day or to make this day happen.
And possible. And also, we would like to thank Inverness Community and MDS or MJS Media. Digital
MDS, yes.
MDS, thank you very much.
Yes. Okay. Ngayon naman, I think our last, ay hindi pa siya last kasi meron pa tayong pahabol ng mga presenters. Performers. Ready na po ba sila ang ating Philscott dancer from Ayrshire?
Ayrshire!
Saan na po ang
Philscott
ating Philscott
dancers.
dancers from Ayrshire? Alright. Few more minutes. Okay, don't go lang problema.
So while waiting for them, according to the Lost and Found group, there's a black shades, cat 2, and a brown gold sunglasses in their possession. So if you lost your black shades, cat 2, or brown gold sunglasses, just collect.
Para representative ba tayo sa Dolores Tutong Bahay? Nanalo po tayo. Okay, pakilagay na lang po sa gilid yung rice for Dolores. Okay, next one. We have Phyllis, Nicole, Javier.
And the winner is...
Hindi ko na naman mabasa. Okay, let's try it. That's John Boyd. Boyd?
John Boyle or John Boyd?
B-O-Y-C-H.
Boyd.
Last